Chickens live an average of 5-7 years. But some of them can reach the age of 20. These birds like to live outside and feast on what they find rustling on the ground. Chickens can be fed wheat, oats, barley, as well as bread and groats. There are breeds that need to be taken care of when feeding them, as such chickens do not feel full and their stomach can explode from overeating. Chickens are omnivorous and eat both plants and meat. It scrapes the ground looking for insects, caterpillars, hunting lizards and mice. Domestic chickens like to eat most of the leftovers from meals. But if the chickens eat too much, they lay less eggs. And chickens start laying eggs when they are 20 weeks old. A chicken lays 1 egg per day, but it does not lay every day. One chicken lays around 300 eggs a year. The hen lays eggs even if there are no roosters in the flock. Only such eggs are not fertilized, and therefore chicks cannot hatch from them. And after the chickens lay their eggs, they will let you know. The chickens has more than 200 different types of sounds that they use to communicate with each other. The chicken's heart rate when calm is around 300 heartbeats per minute. The domestic chicken can run at speed of over 14 kilometers per hour. Chickens also have a very good memory. They can recognize up to 100 different faces. And also, chickens have a very good eyesight because their eyes are on both sides of the head, so their angle of view is more than 300 degrees. They also see many more colors and tones than we humans. Chickens have a rapid eye movement sleep phase, which means they see dreams. But chickens also have another phase of sleep that we humans do not have, called a slow wave of sleep in one hemisphere. Means that one part of brain is asleep, but another stays awake.